Welcome, 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 ladies and gentlemen. This is my favorite time of year, springtime. It's already March, and Food and Wine Festival is here. You're watching TASG. And so we are back. I will say though, my school schedule and my work schedule is getting a little bit more hectic. So, new episodes are going to be a little bit erratic schedule. You know, some weeks you'll have 2 episodes, 3 episodes, but some weeks you'll have no episodes or even 1 episode. So we'll see what happens. All right, so let's head in and check out the food. And my favorite band, Phat Swinger, are going to perform today. So today we're gonna start things off with my favorite from last year, and I'm happy that it's back this year. Garlic Kissed. They have the banh mi and the mac and cheese bag, so I'm very excited for that. Let's head over there right now. Palisade Stage, Phat Swinger. Mickey's Fun Wheel. No! Oh, you caught me. Pixar Pal Around. And more. This performance is gonna happen in just a few minutes, so should I get... Oh man. Yeah, I should get food. Let's go. So they ran out of the... they've already ran out of the mac and cheese, so that's already really popular. So I'm settling the banh mi, so let's go.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Disney Food and Wine Festival 2019. Are you ready to knock this off? Let's do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, this is gonna be a little quick sound check. Well, we're gonna do it like we always do. Ready? Let's jump around. Hey. I'm tired of monkeying around. So, I wanna be just like you. I wanna walk like you, talk like you. You see, it's true. Stronger too. No way. I never ever gonna love you the way we do. It's just us and you. Everybody. Hey, and as the years go by, nice big bill. Our friendship will never die. Come on now. You're gonna see it's our destiny.
We got some time for one last food option. We're gonna go over to avocado time, where it's very interesting. I didn't vlog it last year because I was doing some when I was busy, but this year we're gonna do it. Now, avocado time is very interesting because it had one vegan option last year. It was a chicken pita. They have it again this year, but with actual chicken. This time, the burger, the mini slider, is vegan with the Impossible Burger. That's right. And that starts next week, and I can't have meat on Fridays. So, I'm gonna come here, and we're gonna have some good Food and Wine Festival stuff that's meatless and vegan. So we're doing that thing again. But yeah, here we go. So this is the meatless burger. It's very thick. Looks very filling. Also, quick thing, I did forget to record the me eating the banh mi, so that's my fault. And they ran out of the garlic mac and cheese on that side. Insane. Nice little nod to the former attraction that was right there, Golden Dreams. You have a little arch even from the archway. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's episode. If you like this episode, please hit that like and subscribe for more. I'm Mark Cafe. Thank you for watching. We'll see you guys in another video. So long.